So Amy, can you remember back to when you were in school and all those phrases that you learnt off by heart?
Some of them. Níl Hinton, but a Hinton Féin was very good.
Yeah, and do you know what it means?
There's no place like home.
So Aidan, with an Irish name, you must know some Irish.
I know Callaghan, Duggery and Levis, that's about it.
Do you want to say I love Ireland?
In
Irish?
no, I don't know.
Okay, you don't want to say that? No, I can teach you.
Yeah,
teach you. Okay, so
I want to.
you can say Is Bralum Erin.
It's Coro Iron.
Okay, you give it a go. Is Bralum Erin.
It's Brolo Island.
Is Bralum Erin.
It's Borum, Aaron.
Yeah, that was very good. So I'm here with Fionn, and can you remember any Nahana Kainta or any Irish at all that you learnt in school?
Sure, I can remember a bit of the old poems.
Oh, an L poem, is it? Okay, we'll take the mic and off you go.
Okay, im spalpin fána catam le fada ag seasamh ar marthanse, ag siúil drukte go muchar margin is ag báilú gáilú ratha, ach lachad fees ó rina craffies cle is peak consortia, scudé from... No, man, I messed that one up. Sorry.
You almost got
Sorry.
it. Do you know what any of that means?
Some stuff about the chap who was going and collecting seaweed.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have the general gist.
Yeah. Loves a bit of seaweed. Yeah.
So how long ago did you learn that all?
3 years ago.
And it's still in there.
Yeah, the Irish teacher was really scary now. Like.